Travel Buddy, your guide to a great companion on the road. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term, travel buddy. This phrase is quite popular among travelers, but what does it really mean? If you love traveling or plan to travel, understanding this term will definitely come in handy. Let's dive in and find out more about your potential journey companion. A travel buddy is someone you travel with. It's as simple as that. But there's more to it than meets the eye. This person is not just anyone who accompanies you, but is someone who shares your travel interests, preferences, and schedules. They can be a friend, family member, or even a stranger who becomes a friend. Having a travel buddy can make your journey safer, more enjoyable, and less expensive as you can split costs. They are your partner in adventure, your co-navigator, and your comrade in experiencing new cultures. Traveling with a buddy comes with a host of benefits. For starters, it's safer to explore new places with someone else. It's also economical, as you can share expenses like accommodation and transportation. Having someone to share experiences with makes for lasting memories. And let's not forget the practicality. Two heads are better than one when solving travel-related hiccups. Finding the right travel buddy is crucial. It's important to choose someone with similar travel goals and habits. Discuss your expectations, budget, and itinerary before you set off. Compatibility and travel styles is key. Whether you're both adventure seekers or culture enthusiasts will make a big difference in your travel experience. Before you embark on a journey with a travel buddy, consider a few important things. Have an open conversation about budgets, interests, and personal habits. Respect each other's space and be flexible. Make sure you both agree on some ground rules. Communication is the cornerstone of a good travel partnership. I hope this video helps you understand what a travel buddy is and how to find the perfect one for your next adventure. Remember, the right companion can make your trip unforgettable. Safe travels, and may you find the perfect partner for your journey. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Happy travels, everyone!